Hello everyone. So today's topic is common noun with pictures. Now, before checking out on the examples, let's define what is a common noun. So any noun that does not name any particular person, place, animal or thing is known as common noun. So common noun is a noun which is used in a more general sense. For example, if we say that the boy is going to the school, now which boy? I am not naming any boy. I'm not saying that Rahul is going to the school or uh, she is a very good teacher. Okay, I'm not naming anyone. I'm just using the word teachers in a more general way. So when we use any word or any noun in a general way, without naming any particular or any specific person, place, animal, or thing, then that noun is called common noun. Now, let's come to the different types of common noun that we are going to see in the pictures, rather, the examples of different types of common nouns. Now, here in this video, we are going to see the common nouns with pictures for people, places, animals, and things. Okay, now if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, then please do subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Now moving on. Examples of common noun for persons. So we are going to use or see the examples of people in general. How common noun for people is used in a very general way without naming anyone. So when we say teacher, student, or say cook, the baby, we have dancer, farmer, woman, man, father, mother, driver, carpenter, doctor. So these are few examples of common noun for people. Now there can be many more examples like lawyer, engineer, then say actor, anyone. Okay, if we are not using the names, then it will be known as common noun, or he or she will be known as common noun. So now we come to the examples of common noun for places. Places like school. If we say just the school, it can be any school. If I say St. Joseph School, then I am talking about St. Joseph School only. Okay, particularly if I mention a name. But here, if we just say, when it is a common noun, then we will not find a name. It will be written in a very general way, like the school, the church, the park, or the parks, then the garden. Which garden we do not know, whether that's we are talking about the hanging garden, garden of Babylon, or we are talking about our nearby garden. Okay, so we do not know that. Hotel, city. Which city? It can be any city. I'm not using a name of a city. So without a name, if we just use the city, then city is a common noun. Library, market, art gallery, grocery. Now, for example, if I say that I am going to the library, now there can be many libraries. There are 10 libraries in the town. Now, which library I am going? And I may be a member of 3, 4 libraries. Okay, so I do not know. If I say I'm going to the library, it can be any one of those 3, 4 libraries. But if I say that I'm going to say National Library, then I'm specifying, okay, so I'm going to the National Library. So then National Library is not a common noun. It will be called a proper noun because properly I'm mentioning the name of which library. And if I say just I'm going to the library, then library is considered as a common noun. Then, okay, let's now there can be many more examples, okay? Many more examples of many other places, temples, monastery, then country, continent, any island. So if you are not naming, then the noun is a common. Now, examples of common noun for animals. Now, let's see how animals are used and what are the examples. Dog, cat, lion, tiger, monkey, zebra, camel, then butterfly, squirrel. Now, here, all these names are used, rather, all these nouns are used in a very general way. If I say, my pet dog Tommy is very cute, or Tommy is a very cute dog, then I am particularly talking about Tommy the dog. But if I say, I saw a very cute dog on the road, then here, dog is the dog. I'm not giving any name, or it can be any dog. Mane, whoever I'm talking to, that person might not identify which dog I'm talking to. Okay, there can be three, four dogs on the street. Now, I have found one particular dog to be very cute. If that is the case, then in that case, uh, the dog is used in a very general way, and then just the word dog without any name will be treated as a common noun. There can be many more examples of animals, like you can use any bird name or any animals. It can be elephant, then hedgehog, blah blah. So here we come: laptop, lamp, desk, food, flowers, grass, sweater, water, soil, car. And now always remember, like water, earth, then air, wind, these are all examples of common noun. Okay, though we cannot see air, wind, fire. Fire we can see, but these are all examples of common noun. So thanks a lot for watching. Um, if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And there are many more videos also on grammar and grammar exercises. You can have a look on them. And if you have any query, let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much and take care.